Hello, I am Dr. Pali Mishra. Today I am going to talk regarding the abortion law in India in the light of new judgment passed by Supreme Court of India. अब काफ़ी लोगों के माइंड में ये क्वेश्चन आता है कि abortion इंडिया में लीगल है या नहीं, बट abortion 100% इंडिया में लीगल है. According to the section 3 of the MTP Act 1971, abortion is legal in India.
इंडिया में कौन कौन महिलाएं और कितने कितने हफ्ते तक एबॉर्शंस करा सकती है? इंडिया में 20 हफ्ते तक सारी महिलाएं एबॉर्शंस, चाहे वो विवाहित हो चाहे अविवाहित हो, सारी महिलाएं एबॉर्शंस करा सकती है. इसमें किसी के भी कंसेंट की जरूरत नहीं है, ओनली पेशेंट की कंसेंट की जरूरत है. इसमें हस्बैंड या पार्टनर या फादर या पेरेंट्स किसी की भी कंसेंट की जरूरत नहीं है अप टू 80 ईयर्स ऑफ एज. अब मैं आपको बताने चाहूंगी 20 से 24 हफ्ते के बीच में कौन कौन सी महिलाएं एबॉर्शंस करा सकती है. इसमें रेप विक्टिम्स, माइनर्स, फिजिकली हैंडीकैप्ड, मेंटली हैंडीकैप्ड पेशेंट्स, फीटल मालफॉर्मेशंस जिसमें बच्चे में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, ये महिलाएं 20 से 24 हफ्ते के बीच में एबॉर्शंस करा सकती है.
अभी तक सेक्शन 3(2)(b) में अनमैरिड वुमेन को इंक्लूड नहीं किया गया था इन बिटवीन 20 to 24 वीक्स. सो देयर इज़ अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग केस. हमारे पास एक पेशेंट आया था. She was carrying a pregnancy of 23 weeks and she came for ultrasound. So I did her ultrasound. On ultrasound there was 23 weeks pregnancy. So at that time it was not allowed above 20 weeks. So our legal team went to High Court and filed a writ petition. But in High Court she was denied the permission to undergo abortion. So after that patient got suicidal tendencies. She was highly disturbed. So our legal team went to Supreme Court of India because the patient was very much disturbed. She was having suicidal tendencies. So on 21st of July, a favorable judgment was passed by Supreme Court of India in favor of this patient, and her pregnancy was terminated in AIIMS. And we also added in the prayer that all over the India the law should be changed and it should be allowed up to 24 weeks to terminate the pregnancy for unmarried patients. And the law was changed. Now I want to discuss very important issues. What are the grounds of abortion in India? The grounds of abortion in India are like grave injury to the mental health of a woman, grave injury to the physical health of the woman, if there is any risk to her life, or if there is any physical deformity to the child or any anomaly. These are the only 4 grounds on which the pregnancies can be terminated. Which are the places where abortions can be terminated? Abortion can be terminated in a hospital which is maintained by government, or a private hospital which is approved by the state government for this purpose.